God is able to forgive even the worst type of sin. Because God knows us through and through. God created us good. It is from that very basic truth that we are able to say, God is able to forgive. If God forgives me, God sees the goodness that He created and continues to create. And so, kapag paulit-ulit, ano kailangan gawin? Raises now another point about forgiveness. Forgiveness, that I already said, doesn't mean forgetting. Nor does forgiveness mean I will pretend you never did it to me. That's not forgiveness. We do need to learn about how to relate. And not just how to relate theoretically, but how to relate with you, with this other person, with, or even with myself. We're always growing in learning to relate. And part of that is knowing each of our weaknesses and also each of our strengths. And dealing with that will also mean protecting ourselves from the wounds, the hurts that may come from relationships. And so, kung sabihin natin na may isang nakasakit sa atin, tinatawag na natin, naulit, similar, tinatawag na natin, naulit na naman. Kailangan, natuto na tayo. Teka, this person seems unable to grow. So either, so of course, when we say tinatawad, sana it also involves some form of helping the person grow. Telling the person. Minsan kasi, that's what's unhealthy, no? Na tinatawad ko na, pero binagit mo na sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi mo binagit sa kanya, hindi niya alam, uulitin niya, malalaw. Kasi hindi niya alam na yun yung naging epekto sa'yo. Diba? But if you are concerned enough, genuinely, about the good of this person, you want the person to grow. You want the person to know, uy, alam mo ba, ito yung naging effect mo sa akin. And if the person is good enough to value your relationship, iiwasan mo. Let's say, hindi niya mapigil sarili niya, naulit na naman. Then, you take measures. You will say, alam mo, masakit talaga. At naulit mo ito. Baka, mas mabuti sa atin, hindi tayo masyado, siguro, huwag na muna kayo maging groupmate para hindi maulit. Or things like that. Or even sa asawa, mag-asawa. Kung talagang nasa punto na talagang masakit, malalim, yung suga. Kailangan aminin na, una, subukan, ano pang ibang mga paraan na ayusin, tumubo, pareho, kasi minsan, baka hindi sa kanya lang yung problema, baka ikaw din may problema. So, it's really an opportunity for both parties or all parties to grow. But, let's presume na lahat na ng options na tingnan at na-explore at wala pa rin, then maybe that's the time for instance, mag-asawa. That's the time to say, you know, best if we separate. And that's not because I hate you, but because realistically, you're not going to be able to prevent the same thing happening for your good and for my good. Okay? So, when you do that, not because you want to destroy, you want to hurt, you want to punish. If you don't do it because you want to punish, then it is out of forgiveness. But it is also out of a sense of realism, self-preservation, and actually charity for the other person.
Reactions, comments,
Yes.
paano po kung hindi namin naiintindihan kung bakit na po yung ginawa yung bagay? Kasi parang kami, bata pa kami, kasi lang matanda na. As much as we want to restore yung relationship namin, hindi namin magawa. Kasi nga, nagkasala siya. At parang iniiwasan na yung kasalanan na yun. So, mahirap din po magpatawad, di ba? Kasi hindi mo nga po na yung wala pong interaction with that person. So, parang.
Salamat. And that's probably very true, no? In many, many cases. Actually, lalo na sa pamilya. I guess what you want is right away, naisip ko, time heals all things. So, kasi nga, hindi mo pa naunawaan, baka sa paglipas ng panahon, maunawaan. So, it doesn't have to be rushed. You shouldn't also rush. At the same time, you want to be able to at least maintain itong even just the most basic belief. This person probably did not know what he or she was doing. We don't understand. We cannot explain bakit hindi niya maintindihan. Matanda na siya, dapat nakikita niya. But you'd be surprised at how many things akala natin obvious na obvious, pero other people who are involved in exactly the same thing do not see it. I'm sure, no? As you grow older, dumadami yung karanasan na ganito. Bakit? Kita-kita, malinaw sa akin. Bakit malinaw sa iyo? And that's very true. And that's actually the root of many of our conflicts. Because we think, we presume, ano nakikita din ng iba. Which is, you cannot presume that. That's why it's very good to keep channels of communication open. Now, back to your example. Kung kunwari, nangyari na mistake talaga, then you don't force it. Give that space. Maybe the space will also heal. The time will also heal. But do not, write off the person completely. Try to at least keep a minimum, even for yourself, no? Just, siguro masakit, andun yung picture, pero keep it somewhere, no? Para, hindi naman forever, wala na. Huwag mo sunugin lahat ng tao yun. Maybe keep a little, even if it's symbolic, no? You will keep it out of your sight. Pero symbolic, alam mo, it's somewhere there, sa baon mo. But at least symbolically, that's to your world of meanings. Para sa'yo, that's your way of saying, I'm not giving up on this relationship. Maybe in the future, it will improve. But for now, this is the best I can do. At least not zero. I've known of, I was just talking to my friend. Iniwan sila ng tatay. Many years. Galit na galit siya sa tatay. Kasi, karida. Pero, kanina nagkukwento siya. Naiyak siya. Kasi, through the years, syempre hindi biglaan. Pero, through the years, unti-unti, nagpakilala ulit yung tatay, o hirap. Nag-uusap, matagal na lang kaibigan. Kanina nagkukwento siya. Sabi niya, meron na siyang nakikita, iba na ang yung relationship nila, lumalim na. Before, it was always, the dad was apologetic. And ngayon, she feels na talagang on her side, she recognizes kakampi. Someone who is on her side. Sabi ko, wow. And this has taken, maybe 6 years? Since the time he left them. He left them maybe 20 years ago. So in the last 6 years, so there's hope. I think there's hope. And that's, I think, what makes it even more meaningful for us, is that we believe in a God who never gives up on us. And so we also will never completely give up on each other.
Hindi na papasin oras, malapit na pala tayo matapos.